Drone safety systems pioneer ParaZero has filed an IPO this week. The IPO will be underwritten by Aegis Corporation. 2.5 million shares will be offered at a price between $5.20 to $7.20. The Kiryat Ono, Israel-based company, plans to raise $16 million by offering 2.5 million units at a price range of $5.20 to $7.20. Each unit consists of 1 share of common stock and 2 warrants, exercisable at the IPO price. At the midpoint of the proposed range, ParaZero Technologies would command a full diluted market value of $58 million, says the Renaissance Capital announcement. ParaZero is the latest drone ecosystem player to join the markets. Drone safety systems have come to the forefront of the industry as global regulators consider flight beyond visual line of sight, BVLOS, flight and advanced operations. Currently, drone parachutes, ParaZero has a patented system that deploys as part of their autonomous safety system are the most commercially viable means of meeting regulators' ground impact standards for flight over people. In addition to the drone safety systems that ParaZero has produced for popular commercial off-the-shelf COTS drones like the DJI Mavic series, the company develops safety systems for uncrewed aircraft of all sizes, up to eVTOL passenger drones. Their robust OEM business has allowed drone manufacturers around the world to integrate with ParaZero's safe air systems, including Speedbird Aeros autonomous delivery drones in Brazil. ParaZero Technologies was founded in 2013 and booked $1 million in revenue for the 12 months ended December 31, 2021. It plans to list on the NASDAQ under the symbol PRZO, says the Renaissance Capital announcement. Read more commercial drone news on DroneLife.com.